Hello and welcome back. My name is Siddharth Shah. Today, again, I'm so happy that we are welcoming, should I say, the Steel Queen of India in our Carnegie Club of Success. May I welcome Nikita Agarwal, a participant of our academy who entered our academy during the lockdown. She got a breakthrough goal in the lockdown. And why don't we listen from her? So, welcome, Nikita. Thank you for
Thank
joining
you so
us.
much, sir. Thank you so
Please,
much, sir.
Nikita, please introduce yourself.
I'm Nikita Agrawal. We are into iron and steel, and we actually have a goal of being a top distributor pan India.
Hmm.
And in this lockdown in July, I have done the best sales till now of our company, and
Amazing.
looking forward for it more.
Great. So Nikita, congratulations on that thing, and I think you joined our
Thank you.
academy in the month of April, May. I think in the month of May,
Yeah, April, I've
April,
joined you.
April, and you
Yeah.
joined, and you made some goals for yourself, your
Yes.
professional goals you made, your personal goals you made. So, what did you do? I mean, what kind of goals you made? And just can you just share a little bit about your? I mean, क्या बनाया आपने goal card बनाया? What did you do?
Initially, I would like to share, sir, that initially when people, I am very ambitious kind of a person who always believes in business and everything. Like she eats business, she breathes business, and she's like she do everything in business. So initially, I have very challenges because people are coming and saying me that you don't have a balanced goal. Everything is focused on business. So I make change the goal according to what people will say.
Hmm.
Then obviously I was getting irritated seeing that gold cards again and again because that was not my goal. That was
Hmm.
some other people goal which I was doing.
Hmm.
Then I through MMA I have joined in Chennai.
So what
There
is
I
MMA for the people? Since you're in the academy, you know understand
yeah
MMA. But what is the
yeah
MMA for people outside the academy? Can you just explain what is MMA?
Mastermind Alliance is there.
Okay.
In that, we actually help each other to achieve their goals. So in Chennai, I have joined, and one person, Jay Prakash ji, is there.
Hmm.
He told me, whatever you want to make a goal, you make it. Don't think about what people are going to think about your goal.
Hmm.
Make goals which is actually you want to do. In
Hmm.
adventure goal, I don't know how many of you will get it.
So hold on, Nikita. I think
Yeah.
Mr. Jayaprakash is also a part of our academy. He's also a
Yes,
student,
yes,
a
yes,
participant of the
yes.
academy.
Yeah.
So the best part, what I understand is that it's not just about an online program where you see some recorded videos, but we have a community across India where you can reach
Mhm.
up anybody anywhere in India on the Telegram group, and you can have a mastermind, and you can that's the support system which we are building, and that's what
Yeah.
you got.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, in normal programs, what happens? They just give you whatever the motivational speeches is required or whatever the assignment is being given. They change your mindset for 4 5 days. I have done a lot of programs, and they change it for your 4 5 days. When you after getting that program done, you come back to your home and your normal lifestyle. It stays for you like for 1 month or 2 months maximum,
Mm.
and then it vanishes like anything. But here it's almost 90 days, so it becomes your habit as what is being told that 20 days it's to get that habit and 90 days to become a lifestyle. So obviously 90 days it will become your lifestyle, plus this MMA support is always there to push you, do this, do that. So every time they are there after you.
Amazing. I think Nikita, you have got some good pointers. So first is the 90-day curriculum. It's not a one-day motivational program, but it's a 90-day curriculum. So the habits become a lifestyle. Very nicely said, Nikita.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
second is about the mastermind, where you can interact with participants in the academy and get their support, and you can form a mastermind with them. That's the second support. And how do you think that the weekly support system which we give week after week after week, is that something which is very unique, which you got benefit from there? Every Friday we meet up and we have a support system. What do you think? Just share your experience about those weekly mastermind calls.
Yeah, actually, in my weekly mastermind, we always have a different topic. You take always a different topic, like time management. You took, I remember, still remember few points,
Mm.
and sales. Last week you took sales, which is my love. Sales is my love.
Right,
So
right.
I remember everything about what you told about 4WS, everything I remember. So
Mhm.
this also ultimately helps in other areas of your life, which will ultimately help you achieve your goals. So
Amazing.
everything is helping, and similarly, hearing success stories of everyone motivates you. If they can do, then definitely we can also do.
Absolutely. Yeah. So that's really nice. So I think you had done some programs earlier also, and you are a learner and you are a very ambitious person. Uh, you're getting a call or something like that?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
This is my working hours, no, so
Yeah.
it
You
is
are the
there.
steel queen, and you. So tell me something specifically, Nikita. In the
Hmm.
lockdown, right now, people are get impacted by recession, and the economy is not doing good. And in that, you made a professional goal for yourself that you want to be the highest. You want to be the really crossing your sales target. That's what was your goal was. And I mean, if you talk to any practical, logical person, यार नहीं possible है कैसे होगा लॉकडाउन चल रहा है कैसे possible नहीं होने वाला है so if I understand, you crossed your highest ever sales in the month of July, which is July 2020. Am I correct?
Yeah.
It's the highest
Actually,
ever.
yeah. There are a lot of people, even my sales team, come to me and say that you are giving a target which is not achievable. I say them that if you feel so that it is not achievable, then certainly it will not achieve. If you feel that is achievable, then will certainly do that. So how I will tell you, like you tell us to listen to All Nightingale, na? So
Hmm.
in All Nightingale video, they tell us to decide what you want to do
Hmm.
and how it will certainly happen. Same way,
Hmm.
I don't know how it happened, but it happened. I wanted what was clear to me,
Hmm.
and how I really don't know how it
Amazing.
happened,
Yeah, it
but it
doesn't matter.
happened.
It doesn't matter. You don't need to know how. You just need to focus on the
Correct.
what. I mean, just have your goal card with you all the time. This is what I want. How it's going to come for sure. That's what I mean.
Yes.
All Nightingale. I mean, every day we start to listen to that. So, um, you focused on the what. So, what did you do? I mean, you were seeing the goal cards. Can you just share about your daily habits? What we told you to do, and what did you do?
Initially, before your joining the academy, I was very irritated with all the competition because you are in industry. There are a lot of competition, and people do stuff which irritates you.
Hmm.
So most of the time has went into the negative energy and all.
Hmm.
But when you have your goal card and something negative is happening, you see
Hmm.
your goal card again. You're back with the energy. Yes, I'm going to achieve. Then
Hmm.
you do applied faith to it. Yes, I
Hmm.
am going to achieve it.
Hmm.
So every irritation is gone. I'm very happy with my clients. I'm very happy with my team, and I'm
Hmm.
working for it.
Hmm.
So there is one more success I would share.
Yes,
There is
please.
actually one goal is also there in personal thing that I want people to get influence with me and wants to talk to me. So
Hmm.
now after doing this academic course, like my clients doesn't keep phone in 30 minutes. Sometimes I have to tell them, I'm in a rush, can I keep down your phone?
Correct. So earlier they used to be, just saying, okay, order le lo, yes, no, two
Yeah,
to five
correct.
minutes maximum. That's it.
Yes, that's it.
And after, I mean, the change of mindset and the kind of practices, now आधा घंटे में आपको बोलना पड़ता है. अभी now I need to
Yeah,
move on.
correct. In fact, I shared that this person talked to me 40 minutes with my team. The people was like, my team was like that. Oh, he is not that free. 40 minutes? Are you kidding us?
Oh, that's really nice. So you have got that your personal goal was that you need to read two books and people you need to be friendly with you. So you are progressing in
Hmm.
that goal also.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have started reading books. Soon I'll be completing my first started book.
Okay.
And this week I'll be able to complete that book.
Okay. Amazing. So Nikita, I wanted to ask you. See, you are young, you are dynamic, you are ambitious, you are doing business, and you got a business mind, and you like sales. So I can see a big bright future for you in terms of looking at your age, looking at the background which you have. You are one of the top notch steel making there in the entire India. I can say that. Uh, Keeping
Mhm.
all the things confidential because for obvious reasons we don't want to reveal uh, the details because of obvious reasons. But yes, so looking at this entire context, what is there for you in the future? I got to know that even today you got some success story as we are speaking before the Zoom meeting. Yeah.
Yeah. Today, actually, I have never sold this much of quantity in a day, and I have done that today. So I'm really happy, and still the calls are coming, and I'm like, okay, I'll finish the interview, then I'll attend the call.
यार आप इंडिया में नहीं हो, कोरोना के कौन सी दुनिया में आप रहते हो? I mean, is it there is no slow down, there is
Think
no
and grow rich की दुनिया में.
I got that. So you know the power of thinking, you know the power of your thoughts, and your belief system is showing, the smile is showing on the face of it. So, so Nikita, continuing this fact that if somebody would like to say, yaar, what is Think and Grow Rich? I mean, I'll just read the book, or maybe why should I get into this academy? What is so special? It is one more online program, just videos recorded milenge. What will you suggest to them? What is the difference in our academy?
I have already told it is 90-day program, not like other program. Plus MMA support is always there. Your accountability partner is there to support you every time. Like even if you have other than required thing, when you will call that person that I have certain negativity or something, I'm facing a challenge, they will come up and they'll say that they do this, do that, you will come out of this. Some same way, if I'm facing challenge now in my customer behavior or like my personal life also, I call one of the accountability partner, Jay Prakash ji, that I'm facing this problem. What should I do?
Yeah,
So he immediately come with the solution. Okay, do this. You will be okay.
amazing.
So for sales also, he has taken my sales meeting and he did the sales forecast and everything. So these are all helping things for the
Amazing.
academy. You will get people who will help you always.
Amazing. Yeah, that's the community which we are building, and we are like-minded people who are helping each other, going the extra mile. That's one of the principles of Think and Grow Rich, and we are living that, and we are seeing the results. So,
Yes.
so Nikita, just final words from you before we wrap it up. That something which you would like to share with our community, with anything which your final words about how would your future progress? Anything you want to declare that you want to go to the next level? Anything you want to share? Just final words from your end.
I have also one of success in my health also. Initially, I used to struggle with the persistent thing. When I started, when a person can listen like 90 days the same video, why I cannot do exercise consistently? So I
Yeah.
started consistency is the key to success. You told us. So
Yes.
you told about we used to think that consistency is boring. Now
Yeah.
now we get it that we should be consistent if we want to get results.
Right.
So consistency we have got from your academy, and definitely if you are looking and you're struggling with the consistency part, or you are not sure what you want to do in life, these exercises which you have given to us will definitely give you the goals and what consistency is required, where why the consistency is required. Everything is much clear to me. So I will definitely do certainly good things, and whatever the goal cards is being achieved. So I will achieve all the areas of my goals. Hopefully,
Amazing.
the in 1 month you will be taking one more success interview from me.
That's the confidence, Nikita. That's the real mindset which we work on. That in this kind of a situation where you have this confidence that yes, I am going to get one more success story. Well, what more you can ask? Definitely, I'm sure with your confidence, with your belief systems aligned, anything is possible. Whatever you put on your goal card and follow the practices of Think and Grow Rich, you are going to achieve it for sure. So thank you so much again for your time, Nikita, and I wish you
Thank you
grand
so much for
success.
having me. Thank
Absolutely,
you
yeah.
so much.
This is Nikita Agarwal, one of the steel queens of India. I could surely say that, who has achieved her highest ever sales in the lockdown period. Today, as we are having the interview, she's got one more success story, and she's confident of one more success story in their business in the next coming future. Not only business, it's the mindset, it's the consistency, it's her health goals, it's being around with the people, with the customers. Every area of your life is impacted with the principles of Think and Grow Rich. And it's not just about me, but it's the participants who are there in the academy right now who are supporting each other. And we have formed a huge mastermind alliance in India. If you would like to have this kind of miracle results, if you would like to come, it's not an ordinary online program. It is a life transforming program. If you would like to have these kind of results, then just click on the link below and come in and enter our program. We'll make sure that your life will not remain the same. Nikita, congratulations for entering the Carnegie
Thank
Club
you.
of
Thank
Success.
you.
My name is
Thank you.
Siddharth Shah. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you then. Bye.